Politeness Power, mastering requests and offers with can. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a crucial part of the English language, politeness. We're focusing on the modal verb, can, and how we use it for polite requests and offers. This topic is part of our series on modal verbs, so let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to understand the modal verb, can. It's an auxiliary verb we use to express ability, permission, or possibility. However, in the context of requests and offers, can helps us to ask for something or propose assistance in a friendly and casual way. For example, can I use your pen, please? Can I help you with your bags? Here, the speaker is making a request and an offer, respectively, using can. While this is correct, there's an important aspect we need to consider: the level of politeness. Politeness plays a significant role in any language, and English is no different. It helps to establish positive communication and shows respect towards the listener. When making requests or offers, we often want to sound polite, especially in formal situations or when addressing someone we don't know well. While can is perfectly acceptable in many situations, it may come off as too direct or informal in others. This is where we introduce the concept of can versus could. While can is used for casual and informal situations, could can make your request or offer sound more polite and formal. For example, could I use your pen, please? Instead of, can I use your pen, please? Could I help you with your bags? Instead of, can I help you with your bags? Notice how using could adds a touch of politeness to the sentences. That's the power of using the right modal verb. Let's put this into practice. I encourage you to think about different scenarios where you'd need to make requests or offers. Try using both can and could, and see how the level of politeness changes. Practice makes perfect, and with time, you'll find yourself using these naturally in your everyday conversations. That's all for today's lesson on politeness and can. Remember, while can is widely used for requests and offers, if you want to level up your politeness game, could is your friend. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue exploring modal verbs and their usage. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. Happy learning!